We're going to watch the convention coverage tonight. We invite you to throw the windows open. Alden saying you don't need that air conditioning. What a nice break for as we're getting into late July, Alden.
Certainly was a cool start to the morning today. It'll be another cool start to the morning tomorrow, maybe even cooler than it was this morning for several areas. Can't really complain about that. Beautiful look outside, and we'll take that look outside. But first, our weather headlines. Comfortable weather for July is what we're currently experiencing. I also expect us to largely stay dry through the weekend with wetter weather returning to the region next week. There's our almanac for today. We only reached 82 degrees for our official high. 89 is our average, so we ran 7 degrees below normal. And I was saying earlier that we were very fortunate because it can be a lot hotter in July. The record high was 104 degrees set back in 1913. And some of us actually did manage to get down into the middle 50s earlier this morning. And our precipitation is something else I want to point out. Nearly 2 inches above average. It's been a wet July so far, but the next few days are still going to be staying fairly dry for us. Looking at futurecast, tomorrow morning temperatures will dip into the upper 50s and low 60s across the region. Very refreshing air for us and no humidity. Humidity will be low again tomorrow afternoon. We'll have mostly sunny skies on our Friday and those high temperatures in the lower 80s for most areas. As we head into our Saturday, still looking pretty quiet as we wake up on Saturday morning after you sleep in just a little bit. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to the lower 70s for us, and really more of the same. The difference, though, is that this weekend is going to be a little bit warmer. I think we'll see our temperatures climb into the middle and upper 80s. So futurecast running a little bit on the cool side here, I think. With that extra sunshine around, we should be able to get close to about that 90-degree mark, but still staying dry through our Saturday. We might get an isolated shower to pop up on Sunday. Futurecast trying to show that as early as Sunday morning down to our south. I think we're largely going to be staying dry, but we will have a little bit of extra cloud cover around ahead of what's going to be a wetter weather pattern for us next week. Here's a look outside again and our current temperatures as we're still sitting only at 82 degrees. Over the next 12 hours, we'll see our temperatures fall into the 60s, well into the 60s with that clearing sky and a light breeze out of the north. Hometown forecast for tomorrow, it's going to be pleasant temperatures, maybe just a couple of degrees higher than they were today, into the lower 80s for most of us. Still seasonably mild by about 4 to 5 degrees. And the 7-day outlook does not have much in the way of excessive heat either. Temperatures rebounding just a bit for our weekend, Saturday and Sunday there. 30% chance for an isolated shower or storm on Monday. Best chance for rain next week looks to be Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures still only in the lower 80s, so remaining quite comfortable, although humidity will be a little bit higher, but that's just going to be because of that increase in rain across the region as well. All in all, no excessive heat showing up now for at least the next week to 10 days.